Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students. This is lesson 1 from unit 3, vocabulary and question and answers. Name of the lesson is The Rockers Built a Soccer Field. In this brief review video, we will talk about the vocabulary and the question and answer, which is in the form of multiple choices. So the first word is capacity, which is a noun, and it means the maximum amount that a space can hold. That's called capacity. For example, the car has a capacity for 4 people, so it means maximum amount that a space can hold in anywhere, in any container. Negotiate is a verb which means to discuss something formally in order to make an agreement. That's called negotiate, to discuss something, to deal, for the deal. Fallow is an adjective which means not used for growing crops, especially so that the quality of the land will improve. So fallow, uncultivated land, which the farmer leave for some time in order to make it improve, to make the soil improve for the next crop. Resemblance is a noun which means the state of looking like something. It means similarity, looking like same. Enthrall is a verb which means to hold someone's attention by being very exciting or interesting. Again, enthrall means when someone being fascinated, or to capture or to hold someone's attention by looking at him very excitingly or interestingly. Unseemly is an adjective which means not proper or appropriate. Not proper or appropriate, they called unseemly. Next word is regulation, which is an adjective in agreement with official rules. It's from rule, regulation, rules. This adjective usually comes before a noun. And the last word, insight. Insight is a noun which means the ability to understand people and situation in a very clear way. So insight is the quality of knowing things clearly. In questions, the first one, what does Mr. Shankis think Mariana's dream is a sign of? So there are 4 options, multiple choice question. And the correct answer is in green. The community will get a new soccer field, not new soccer team and not the other 3 options. Question number 2. Where is the soccer team practicing at the beginning of the story? So the correct option is tiny school yard. Tiny, you know, that's very small, and they want to make a bigger park. Question number 3. Why did Mariana appear nervous after the city council agreed to use the empty lot for a soccer field? And the correct option is the last one. She didn't know how they are going to raise the money to build the field. Question number 4. Fundraising options include dog wash, car wash, karaoke night, all the above. So the correct option is, it means all the above were fundraising option when they were discussing how to raise fund for making that soccer field. Question number 5. What disaster took place during the fundraiser? Fundraiser means when they were making and when they were collecting money for making the soccer, to build a soccer field, which they desperately need. So dogs, the correct option is the first one. Dogs took off and jumped around out of control. That was the disaster. It means that was the difficulty and challenge which they faced while they were doing dog wash job for fundraising purpose. So during that event and that job, they face challenges such as dog took off and jump around out of control. Question number 5. Question The rockers raised the following amount from their fundraiser. So correct option, $750 they raised. And the last question, what problem did the rockers run into when creating the soccer field? So the first option is the answer in green. There was a large boulder in the middle of the field that was in the way. That was the correct option. And that was the lesson in which there is a quiz, but you have first to make sure that you have proper study, then attempt, because the quiz has 1 week. See you inshallah next time with a new review video. Till that time, goodbye and assalamu alaikum.